how long does it take Gemini to verify your identity? Intro. Hey there, you're standing at the edge of a cliff, the wind whipping through your hair. You're about to take a leap of faith, but you're not sure if the parachute will open. That's kind of how it feels when you're waiting for Gemini to verify your identity. You're excited about all the possibilities, but you're also a little nervous. So, how long does it really take Gemini to verify your identity? Let's find out. The verification process, a step-by-step guide. Data collection. It all starts with you providing your personal information. This might include your name, email address, phone number, and possibly some identification documents. Gemini will collect this data and store it securely. Verification checks. Once Gemini has your information, it starts running various checks to verify your identity. This might involve database checks. Gemini will compare your information against various databases, including public records and credit bureaus. Document verification. If you've uploaded any documents, Gemini will carefully examine them to ensure they're authentic. Risk assessment. Gemini will also assess your risk profile. This means it will consider factors like your location, browsing history, and past online activity. Manual review. In some cases, your verification might require manual review by a human agent. This is especially likely if there are any inconsistencies or red flags in your information. Decision making. Based on all the information it has gathered, Gemini will make a decision. Either your identity will be verified, or you'll be asked to provide additional information. Factors that can affect verification time. Data quality. The accuracy and completeness of the information you provide will significantly impact the verification time. If there are any errors or missing details, it could delay the process. Document clarity. If you've uploaded documents, ensure they're clear, legible, and in the correct format. Poor quality documents can slow down verification. Risk assessment. Gemini's risk assessment can also influence the verification time. If you're considered a high-risk user, it might take longer to verify your identity. System load. The number of users being verified at any given time can also affect the processing speed. During peak times, it might take slightly longer. Tips for faster verification. Provide accurate information. Double-check all the details you enter to ensure they're correct. Upload high-quality documents. Make sure your documents are clear, legible, and in the correct format. Be patient. Verification can take time, so try to be patient. If you're concerned about the delay, you can always contact Gemini's support team. Conclusion. So, how long does it really take Gemini to verify your identity? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It can vary depending on a number of factors. However, by following the tips we've discussed today, you can help to speed up the process. And remember, patience is key. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.